How can I contribute positively to those that are facing illnesses? So the Prophet ﷺ says to us, "Man istata'a an yanfa'a akhihi falyaf'al." Whoever is able to support and help their brother or their sister, let them do so. Look, it's important that we help others, and that help can have several manifestations. You can support someone by giving them advice, especially if you're experiencing very similar situation as the person that is now going through it. You can share your experience, you can give them advice, you can make dua for them, you can be there for them emotionally, you can point them towards the right service. There's so many things you can do, and I want you to remember that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves the Muslims that help others. Allah loves them. Not only that, Allah promised us through the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whoever relieves difficulty, a stress, an issue from a fellow believer, then Allah will do the same for them on the Day of Judgment. So I highly encourage all of you to support each other in any way that you can, inshallah ta'ala.